Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one for sell for December the 5th, friends. It is a Monday. Okay, coming to our previous analysis, wherein we gave Sun Pharma for a buy. Okay, this was on this day, friends. Okay, it was not here, it was on this day, and immediately at the start itself it started moving up and gave its target, friends, and followed by a retracement downward momentum, and it remained sideways thereafter. Next day it fell. Okay, this video was on for Thursday, not for Friday. Okay, coming to the sell stock was IndusInd Bank, and you can see it started somewhere here. Okay, and straight downfall, retracement, another downfall. Now towards the end of the day it went up and again a downfall. So yes, we could meet our first target even in our sell stock. Coming to analysis for now, before that we'll play our opening music, without which the stocks don't perform well. So there it comes, friends. So friends, Nifty Bank Nifty, we are still bullish on the market. We were bullish on that day as well. Immediately there was a upward or a gap up opening, followed by most of the day was sideways. It filled the gap once here, again went back and remained there. End of the day, what happened is there was some kind of selling momentum that was seen here, and this was the next day when it started falling, friends. Similar was the case with Bank Nifty. Here little difference, that was Bank Nifty went further below its just gap filling and closed a little lower than the previous day low. However, we are still bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you remember, I told you if you want to sell, that's when you should be selecting Bank Nifty, because the downward momentum in Bank Nifty is much more than when compared to downward momentum in Nifty. Coming to the view for today, see Nifty, if you can see, I have to show this to you, I'm sure it's not so clear. So this is a kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern, not so clear, not a bookish inverted head and shoulder pattern, but yes, it is something similar. So easy target of 920 940 is easily possible, okay, in case of Nifty. Well, while coming to Bank Nifty, things are a little easy. I don't even have to draw the inverted head and shoulder pattern here. You can see that very clearly. So obviously we are bullish even on Bank Nifty. Before we proceed with the stock for tomorrow, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing on any notification or any update that I am going to give you. Also friends, Telegram channel, those of us who know, we are going to activate it again. If you are still not on Telegram channel, do subscribe on the channel as well, friends. Coming to the buy stock for the day. Buy stock for the day is chosen as Britannia, one of the biggest FMCG counter here. See, if I draw this trend line here, okay, you can see that it is exactly at the support. This is your support trend line, and we have touched the support and could not go below that. So that is considered to be a buy. Second thing, see, these were the levels which were retested twice, okay, and followed by a breakout. After this breakout, it made a kind of a pattern and touched the same levels again. This situation is called a retest situation, friends. So the possibility of it to go up from here is very high, and that is the reason we are choosing Britannia for a buy. Okay, I hope you understood the logic. Coming to the sell stock, it would be Adani Enterprises, friends. See, you can see it has not been able to go above these levels for a very long time. Are we going to choose very big targets like this target? The answer is no. We will wait, or we can sell it at the current price and wait for it to touch this trend line. Until this trend line is broken, and it is broken and there are candles formed below that, that is not until when we can select these targets, friends. So for now, if we are selecting at these levels, which is 39.47, you can go ahead and wait till 39.25, which is the support trend line, friends. Hope you understood the logic. And second thing, even if we draw a Fibo from the recent top, which is somewhere here, to the recent bottom, which is somewhere here, you can see that the stock was not able to go above the 50% level. That is where it is facing its rejection. And am I giving you this target? The answer is no. I'm giving you a simple target of, probably this could be our second target. I am not expecting this final target in one day. It may come, but not in one day, friends. When are we going to sell? We are going to sell only when we see Nifty and Bank Nifty to be weak, friends. We cannot sell just like that. If in case you see Nifty Bank Nifty to be weak, that's when we will select it for a sell. Current situation, if you are looking at global markets, it is clear that SGX Nifty is about 30-40 points up. By the time we open tomorrow, if it is a little more up, that's when we'll only consider buying and not for selling, friends. We would wait for any kind of negative momentum in Nifty. That's when we can go for a sell. When can we sell on Nifty? That's a very good question, friends. Now see, we are continuously on a bull run when it comes to Nifty. If I draw a Fibo from the bottom to the top, you can see that we are at the bullish levels. From here we saw a nice head and shoulder, and there is a possibility of going up. Now if in case we see this trend line breaking, friends, okay, I don't think this will happen so easily. That's when we will sell for the first target, which is this, okay, 18,714, and our final target will be the 50% level, which is 18,626. Will we expect this target in one day? The answer is no. Excuse me. And when will we sell on Bank Nifty? Situation in Bank Nifty is little different. You see, unlike Nifty, which is in bull run, okay, Bank Nifty is kind of consolidating sideways, okay. There is no upward kind of trend that we see in Bank Nifty. So in this case, we can go ahead and select sell at break of this small trend line itself. And the reason is simple. If I draw a similar trend line here in Nifty, it will look something like this, friends. But we are not considering this trend line for a sell in case of Nifty. Why? Because there is a huge bull run that we see. In case of Bank Nifty, we can consider this trend line for a sell. First target would be the head and the shoulder of the head and shoulder, which is around 43,248. Final target would be 43,187. Are we looking for a bigger targets downside? Answer is no, because ideally speaking, whenever Bank Nifty is at the top, okay, it cannot give you very big downward targets, friends. So with that reason, we are not going to choose big targets like this area, but we can book profits at these two areas, friends. Now I want to show you something which is happening in Bank Nifty, friends. See, Bank Nifty has been playing in this area, this particular area from here to here since last so many days. From 25th onwards, it has been there in this area only. Now if I just have to draw, see, this is the top, and if I have to draw, this can be your bottom, okay. Even if I move this top down, I can say it has been trading in this area for most of the times. Whenever it is going beyond this area, okay, beyond this area, immediately there is buying coming, and if it is going beyond this area, immediately there is sell coming. So this area has become very important area for Bank Nifty. So any downward momentum will be done only after a retest of this area and a fall, that's when we can go ahead and select a trade for a downward momentum. Will this happen in one day? The answer is I don't think so. There is a possibility of this to happen only when Bank Nifty or there is a global kind of a negative news, and we don't see anything as such currently. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood the reason for buy on Britannia, the reason for sell on Adani Enterprises, and we are still bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and